Building Materials and Technology Promotion Council, BMTPC presents EPS Based Panel System. Housing is one of the basic human needs and is a key component in the sustainable development of a community. Honorable Prime Minister of India has a dream mission to provide a decent two-room Pakka house with electricity, water and toilet facility to every citizen of India by 2022. To achieve this, government has launched Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban and Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin for urban areas and rural areas respectively. The task is very challenging and requires an integrated approach to deal not only with land, finance, regulatory mechanism but also use of appropriate construction materials and technology so as to have faster delivery of houses. The majority of buildings in the country are still constructed using traditional building materials of clay bricks and reinforced cement concrete. The materials used in system are not only energy intensive and time consuming but are also dependent on ever depleting natural resources. Such practices also result in time and cost overrun and often lack in quality. With the need for paradigm shift to semi or fully mechanized system which are climate responsive and fast track without compromising with structural and functional requirements, the construction industry is fast evolving and embracing new construction systems.
A number of new alternate fast-track construction technologies and building systems fulfilling environmental, quality and speed requirements with cost effectiveness and other parameters have been practiced world over successfully. BMTPC, Building Materials and Technology Promotion Council, under Ministry of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation, Government of India, have assessed and evaluated a number of such technologies based on structural safety, energy efficiency, functional performance, environmental friendliness and other requirements. These technologies have also been recommended for affordable mass housing.
One such technology is EPS Based Panel System. The EPS technology is in use in many countries under different forms and brand names. The system is basically based on factory-made composite panel consisting of combination of self-extinguishing polystyrene corrugated plain sheet of minimum density 15 kilograms per cube meter and required thickness, sandwiched between two layers of engineered sheet of high-strength galvanized cold steel wire mesh interconnected to each other with high-strength steel connectors. The main function of the core is to provide thermal and sound insulation, and its thickness and type depend on its thermal resistance and design temperature. The truss formed with the galvanized wires gives the desired structural strength to the panel. The EPS panels are manufactured in different types depending upon the application.
Thermal insulation we have around 5 to 6 degrees temperature reduced than the conventional system. It is very less and if it doesn't need any air conditioning during summer also, peak summer also. The construction of EPS building requires very less number of workers, very less amount of equipment.
The key components of a building arrive on site packaged according to size and construction sequence. The building site is prepared and a strip or rough foundation as needed put in place. The walls are vertically connected to the concrete structure and to the floor of the upper level by means of deformed steel dowels. The erection of walls are completed by strengthening each joint and corner and openings with additional wire mesh. The roof panels are secured to the walls using special steel sections, fixings and fasteners. Provisions for doors and window openings are pre-cut to fix the required door and window frames. Plumbing and electrical services are fixed through the depressions created in polystyrene core using blowtorch. The structure is finished on site by pouring or spraying concrete of appropriate grade and thickness to realize the different structural elements like walls, slabs and floors. The innovation lies in panels manufactured in a controlled environment in a factory setup with very high strength to weight ratio, attracting very low seismic forces, which are easy to erect at site with minimum workforce. It fulfills requirements of strength, durability and energy efficiency.
Expanded polystyrene concrete wall panel is a modern, efficient, solid, safe and economic panels for construction of buildings up to 4 stories as load-bearing and multi-storied as infill walls. It's an innovative approach that is intended to increase the speed and efficiency of on-site construction. Being EPS as core, its thermal behavior is excellent and its lighter weight gives improved seismic resistance.
When it's finished, a structure constructed using EPS panel-based technology looks solid as in conventional construction. EPS concrete wall panel buildings are environment-friendly and aesthetically appealing, a system that meets the needs of designers and resolves the difficulties of construction companies. They can be constructed quickly, resulting in tremendous savings in time and money.
Its main advantage as compared to conventional construction is that it allows timely completion of the project, and inversely it saves both time and money.
This building system is a breakthrough in the quest for widespread implementation of attractive, comfortable, affordable and healthy.
We are staying in this EPS building from last 2 years and I am feeling very comfortable here, and this temperature also very cool in summer as compared to outside, and this building is finishing also very good. From last 2 years I am not getting any cracks in this building.
समर सीजन में अगर बाहरी एटमॉस्फेयर के टेम्परेचर में और अंदर में काफ़ी फ़र्क रहता है, ये काफ़ी कूल रहता है समर सीजन में, और वही अगर आप अपोजिट ले लें विंटर सीजन में तो बाहर अगर अच्छी खासी ठंड भी रहेगी तो उसके बावजूद भी अंदर में जो हमको अच्छा ये वार्म रखता है।
कुछ समय पहले मैं इस मकान में शिफ्ट हुई हूँ और न्यूज़ देखें भूकंप आया हुआ है, आसपास के लोग भी बोल रहा था भूकंप आया हुआ है, लेकिन मैं इस नए मकान में बिल्कुल नहीं महसूस की भूकंप का झटका, और क्योंकि ये नई टेक्नोलॉजी द्वारा बना हुआ है।
और इन मकानों में कोई भी नॉइज़ डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं होता है, साउंड का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ट्रैफिक जैसे भी चीज़ों का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है, हम अच्छे से पढ़ पाते हैं।
Research indicates that the materials themselves have a life expectancy
Great potential for mass housing with better seismic resistance and improved functional performance. It's now required to mainstream the technology, for which initiatives like demonstration construction, development of analysis rate in DSR with CPWD, development of standards and manuals are being taken up by BMTPC. Construction agencies should now come forward and get involved in construction of buildings using such new systems.